What's up, YouTube? NC Maxima guy back with another video. Alright, I'm gonna be doing something different. I'm gonna start doing giveaways for some used parts that I've collected. I got a lot of parts that I collected over the years and just, you know, stuff I've used, traded, whatever. But I'm gonna start the giveaway for 500 followers on my IG, and you have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel and the IG. You have to follow the IG, which is NC Maxima Guy. You have to like the post, and you have to comment on the video of me replacing the console lid. I got a video posted of me replacing one of these console lids in the 5th gen. So you have to like that video, make a comment on that video, and so I'll know that you're following, you're subscribed, and you're trying to get the giveaway item. I'm gonna let the giveaway person, whoever wins or is selected, I'll give you an option to get the black center console with the tray. It's in really good condition. You know, minor flaws, but it's in really good condition. See that? I got the little cover piece that goes on the back right there. Have the gray center console lid with the tray. You know, it's in really good condition. These are original parts. So if you find original parts that's this good in condition, you know, you gotta preserve them. You gotta value them. This wasn't redone, or this is original. You know, if you know the Maximas, then you know. And I also have, for the 6 speeds, 5 speed or 6 speed, well, manual, I got the pedal. These go over your pedals. They're in really good condition, you know, original. You know, I got another set of these. I think I may have 2 more sets. And but I got some more parts. I got a bunch of parts, and as you know, I'm gonna be making more content for the channel, for the YouTube channel, and you know, posting more videos of different stuff, you know, car related, you know. So make sure you follow the YouTube, and then the IG. I'll be making posts also to, you know, let you know when they give away, who gets the giveaway, and everything like that. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube, NC Maxima Guy, follow the IG, and yeah, good luck to the person that gets the pick. You're gonna get the pick if you want the pedals, if you need the gray center console lid with tray, or if you need the black center console lid with tray. And I'm gonna send it to you. I'm gonna ship it out to you. You know, future giveaways, I may throw in some anniversary edition parts. I may do some just different parts. You know, be on the lookout. You know, rock with me. Support the channel. You know, the YouTube channel. Support the IG. You know, salute to everybody that's holding it down. And yeah, I'll get back with y'all. Thanks for watching.